All right, back here on Mo's Vet, look what has arrived, a replacement fan controller unit. Whoop, whoop. Yep, same one. So we're just gonna cut our wires here. I'm gonna cut them close so we have a little overhang. And we're going to splice and test first, and then once we know it works, we'll finalize it, and hopefully we should be good to go. All right, so got everything wired. I'm gonna neaten that up here after we test. Hit the key, not gonna start. I'm gonna hit the key, and we have a light! Yay! We have power and a functioning fan controller. Right, we're up and running. We have power. Hopefully, this light will come on a bit. We're up to 154 degrees. Might come on about 165, I bet. So and just like that, the fans are on. There's our other LED. They're on and they're spinning in the right direction. Nice. 167. Nice. Let's see how she does. Let her run a little while. And when you turn the key off, the fans stay on a bit after. We got her up to 190 sitting here idling. No air movement, not driving. The fans stay on. That's pretty neat. Awesome.